to make a comparison. Better than, faster than, more than, less than. This book is better than the one I read last week. She runs faster than anyone in her class, to indicate a preference or choice, rather than prefer, than choose. I would rather than go home early. I prefer coffee than tea in the morning. To introduce an alternative more than, no more than, less than. He has more than enough experience for the job. The cost is no more than $50. To show an exceeding amount, higher than, lower than, greater than. The temperature is higher than expected. Her salary is greater than mine. In negative comparisons, no more than, none other than, less than hair. She has no more than 10 minutes to prepare. There is none other than the best candidate for this job. Common collocations with than, better than, worse than, more than, less than, other than. This restaurant is better than the one we went to last week. She is worse than I thought at the game. He has more than enough experience to do the job. The situation is less than ideal, but we'll manage. No one is other than my best friend who can help me.